something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level, they think that work is too stressful. I think that work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5-10 year plans are contagious. I attack that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
How is everyone doing? All right. What's good? What's good? What's good? Hey, Kendrick, how you doing? Looking at Go right now, I am still looking for sales. Now, in this range between between 33.88 and pretty much 33.75, which is this previous daily candle low, we have our first low created here. So this is our major low of this range, and we have our minor low. Right now price has created a minor high. So as of right now, we do have two lows as of right now, which could also signify there's a chance price could actually push up to break this high. However, I do not see that happening right now, because if we look at this high here, this is the high that created this low, and now this low has now created another high. Therefore, we have not been able to close above the high, right? That pretty much created this minor low here. And price is still bearish. We have a BOS right here. At the same time, we also rejected this previous low that we had on Tuesday, pretty much 2 days ago. We rejected it on the 1 hour. So if I'm going to take buys here, I'm going to need to see gold come down lower. But as of right now, I am interested in selling gold. So that is what I am looking for as of right now. Weird. Is reacting to the 30-minute supply. Now maybe on Forex, we didn't get to the 30. Didn't even tap the one. Hey Hamed, how you doing? Take a look at MGC here. With it. What's my bias right now? My bias is still sells. Somebody type something in the chat. I want to see if the text is bigger now. Any entries? And as you can see, I'm still waiting. Okay, that's much better. Hey Alex, I'm good. Can't complain. I will be right back. That was good, JD. XAUD looks bearish. Gold is bearish. I am absolutely looking for sales as of right now in this range. Get it set up in this range, then we'll take it. If not, we're gonna have for this previous daily candle low to be taken out, and for sales is either we tap this resistance here on the 15-minute, or we go back up and pretty much grab liquidity above Asian high. Current Asian high right now. Come on, Asian session, let's get it set up. What's good, Ahmed? How you been? Yeah, let them know, Alex. Hey Samuel, how you doing? You finally found a trader? Oh, congratulations. Welcome, Samuel. What am I missing? Any tips for you want to make sure you make this your first funded account as much as possible? You know, the same thing that you did that made you pass the challenge, then that's just need to keep doing the same thing. Don't change anything. Rinse and repeat. In fact, I will say during the evaluation, let's say your goal was, I don't know now, I don't know what the account size is, but let's just say your goal was pretty much 400 when you were doing the evaluation. Now that you're funded, reduce that 400 to at least 300. That's my advice. Because to be honest, you don't want to trade the funded stage, you don't want to trade it the same way as traded on the evaluation. Reduce your profit, daily profit. And if you don't want to reduce it, just keep it the same. Can we sell with a tight stop loss at 3339? 3339? I'm guessing you're looking at futures. See how this candle closes. I prefer this 1 hour supply, even this 15-minute supply. One of these two supplies will be there. So this is futures, Ahmed. Yeah, man, it's pretty much the same. The only difference is the prices, that's all. Right now, futures is at 33.83. Forex might be 32 something or 33 something. Okay. And New York moved a lot yesterday. I mean, this morning. Okay. Our first range in this range is between 3390.4 and 3375.5. If that breaks, well, now it's gonna be up to this, between this low and this high, like that. That'll be the next range. So see how we react at this supply now. And also, real quick, if we reject here, I'm going to explain the reason why I'm going to wait for this setup. So now we pushed up. If we reject here, I'm going to wait for that aggressive move. at least 2 5-minute candles before the pullback, and then that's when I will take the sell. And I will explain the reason why I'm going to wait for this setup, even though we are currently breaking lows. Now, the reason is because you take a look at this Asian low right here. As of right now, this is the low that Asian look has created. Rejection, rejection, rejection. So you have pretty much triple bottom here, which could also signify that we could actually push up from these lows. So because of this rejection, multiple rejections that we have at these lows, I'm not going to take the sell right away, because if I take the sell right away, the fact that we've rejected here multiple times was to say we're just not going to create a support maybe around here, and then boom, price pushes up and then we take a loss. So I am going to wait for this before I take a sell. That's if this supply holds. I hope that makes sense. As of right now, we do not have a break of structure to the downside, even though gold is bearish. But what is Asian session currently doing? But do we have BOS to the downside as of right now? No, we do not. However, right now, we might have a BOS to the upside. And if we have a BOS to the upside, it's just going to be a BOS of a minor low, a minor high, which pretty much does not count right now, because we still have not broken out of the range that created this low. That gold is doing this right now. Delete this, delete that. Multiple rejection here at the lows. We come back to this 5, reject, I'm taking buys. Set up here. One, two, three. You bought in at 3335 levels. Looks like we got more forex traders here than futures. If you trade Forex, I'm talking YouTube now. I know there's only what 21 people here. If you trade Forex, type 2. If you trade futures, type 1. I want to see. Actually, let's make a poll. I've done this before, but I was doing New York session stream. I'm going to create a poll on this. Going to create a poll. All right, that's the poll, guys. That's the poll. I'm pretty sure more of you trade Forex, but I still want to be sure. Because, of course, those of you that have been following me for a while, you know I used to trade Forex. So, pretty sure majority of you will say Forex. Future is for old takers. That's funny. Give me a second, guys. Right back. I'll bring my camera high down a little bit. Too high. Those of you that trade London session, you might get sales during London. I mean, tomorrow, at least for me. Hey, Rodrigo, how you doing? Good evening. Won't I consider the 15 minutes of why? Nah, I will not consider it. I will consider this resistance though. Or I will consider the resistance. I think it's going to go higher than that. And we have liquidity above this high. That's what I'm anticipating. Yes, Edwin. In this range, this is a major high, major low, minor high. And it's pretty much simple to identify which high broke the low to the left. That is this one. And that high created this low created this high is lower than this high, therefore you have your high. And then again, this high created this low is not lower than this low, therefore you have your minor low. Oh, of course you have this minor high as well, created low, went back up, this high lower than this high to the left, minor low, minor high, minor low. Possibly we're looking at another minor high somewhere here, hopefully then we can have a pullback to take back. Oh, this is your first agent session with us? Oh, okay. What's the plan? The plan right now, Rodrigo, is to take buys. But we're waiting for our setup right now. Buying gold is my plan. As of right now. Until we get a rejection here. Now, if we do not come back to this 5 and we reject this 5 instead, now this could hold. However, I will not be taking it. I'll prefer if this comes down lower. You're welcome, Rodrigo. We just need volume. Volume is what we need. "26% of you trade futures, 74% trade for." Okay. Was just about to say the music is fire. Thank you.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities.
Volume, where are down?
Covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who hurt.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't.
Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out.
Sheesh, this volume sucks right now.
Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
reacting to the 5-minute demand that I drew earlier, but I'm not interested in this 5-minute demand. There's a chance it could hold and continue higher, yeah, but I'm not interested in that. Too risky. So if it holds, it is what it is. Especially the fact that we do not have a clean closure above 3384.1, which is above this high. Since we don't, not interested in buying using the middle of this range as my demand. I'm waiting for the lows. Where the move started from, that's the demand that I need. So, see if it's gonna get there. All right, Zoom. Anyone on Zoom? If you guys can take over for me, I'm gonna go use the restroom real quick. YouTube, I'll be right back. Be tight, ladies and gentlemen.
Jazz around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions,
Alright, I am back. Man, I was expecting rolling today. So, real quick, guys, this is what we are going to do. So, if we keep coming down here to this 5-minute demand, I will take 5. Now, earlier, I don't know if you guys remember, because of the failure to pretty much break and close here, I will look to see if we are going to reject this 5-minute supply right here. But if this new possible support here breaks this high and over with. Just don't trust that 5-minute demand, which is well rejected now. For possible bias continuation, yeah, I'm gonna need this candle to close aggressively, even if it not a protection candle. This candle closes in a minute, pretty much. You're from India, you lost 50k Indian rupees. Can I help you? It helped me too. What happened? All we're trying to do right now is to ride this bullish momentum. Now if we can come back and at now definitely just need to stay in the Oh, well, left. Guess it's like F this. This volume sucks. The range is still small today. At least it's not volatile. Oh yeah, volume sucks. Yeah, it's not a big range, but at least it's not volatile. So, for example, if I like this 5 minute demand, I say we took buys here because that would have been my entry. Look at that, this thing is just steady freaking picks. So it's not volatile. Just didn't trust this 5 minute. Failed. We'll see if we can come back and test it again. I need gold to make me trust this 5 minute. Forex levels are so different from futures today. Yeah, it happens sometimes. Okay, I'm gonna go get me some water. I need some water. Back. Okay, as of right now, we got 67% of view trading Forex, 33 trade futures. When was the last time seeing 30 on gold? Can't remember. Strange wig for gold. Do I like fishing? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This volume sucks, guys. I am going to head off. I'm just gonna wait for NY session tomorrow. God bless you all. I appreciate you all. No setup right now. Volume sucks. You will get something done in New York. God bless everyone. I'm out. Peace. Oh, before I leave, make sure you join the new Discord. Link is in the description. God bless you all. A good trading day tomorrow in New York. See you guys. Alright, Zoom. I will see you guys tomorrow during New York session. Volume sucks right now.